Email. What time is it? Cool. Email. Good night, little buddy. He wishes you good night. And now you can tell him to go to sleep. Email. Go to sleep. He dozes off now. If you wait a little while, he also starts to snore. Takes him a little while, then he snores. And there's more. There we go.